Hello, welcome to requesting a temporary place of assembly certificate of operations. Go to your dashboard, find the job file you wish to request a temporary certificate of operation. Scroll over to the filing action. Request temporary place of assembly certificate of operations, TPA. Are you sure you want to request temporary place of assembly certificate of operation? Yes. You'll see the summary of the filing itself. Scroll down to statement of signatures and electronically sign and click submit. And for temporary place of assembly certificate of operation has been issued automatically. You can click on to view temporary place of assembly certificate of operations. And here is where you can print. Thank you.